Good morning, students. Are you well? Okay, good. Let's continue with the again same topic here. And today we are going to perform another activity. We have to prove that air is required for combustion. As in the uses of air, we have studied that air is required for combustion. For burning anything, we need oxygen. And now we have to prove that air is required for the process of combustion. For this activity, what we supposed to need? We need a beaker. You can, if you have to perform this activity at your home, you can take a transparent glass also. And candle is required and matchbox is required. Let's perform the activity. Students, I have taken a beaker, candle and matchbox which is required for performing this activity. That is for proving that air is required for combustion. Now what we are supposed to do, how we have to perform this activity? Firstly, I will light the candle. So, I have lighted the candle with the help of matchstick. Now, I am going to cover this lighted candle with this beaker. If you have to perform this activity at home, you can take a glass. Now I have covered this candle with beaker. Now observe what happens. We have to wait. Students, what we have observed? We observed that after some time the candle extinguishes. Why this happens? This is because the supply of air is cut off when it is covered with a beaker, and hence the candle stops burning. While you will cover it with a beaker, firstly it burns for some period of time. Why? Because the air which was present in the beaker, it was available to the burning candle. But while that air is used up, the oxygen which was present in the beaker, when used up, it stops burning because the burning candle does not get any other supply of oxygen. So it stops burning. So this activity proves that air is required for the process of combustion. Students, you have to perform this activity yourself at home also, but in the presence of your elders. Thank you, students.